If you like making videos with AI or you make money online with AI, then this video is for you. This video you are watching right now is created using Higgsfield.ai. Even this video is created using Higgsfield.ai using Kling 2.6. So I'm going to show you how to create this video in a website called Higgsfield.ai. Well, go to your Google, type Higgsfield.ai, and you will get this. So this is the website Higgsfield.ai, and stay to the end of this video because I'm going to show you a new AI that is coming up called Higgsfield.ai Kling 3.0. And I'm going to show you the kind of video this can make. Trust me, guys, AI is becoming wild. Like you can literally make movies with this version of Kling 3.0. Okay. Now, if you want to make videos on History.ai, go to video. So when you go to video, you see the different kind of AI videos you can make. You can make cinema studio, mixed media, edit video, crook, imagine, clean motion control, then clean 2.6. And guys, remember, stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you what is coming up in clean 3.0. Okay, so you can make videos in all these AI features. Okay, so now I'm going to select clean 2.6. So when you click on Kling 2.6, you are going to get this. These are some videos that I made here, but not using Kling 2.6. Okay. Now the next thing is you are going to do is to paste your prompt here, the prompt of your video here. So this is my prompt. My audio is on. The aspect ratio is this. Then I'm selecting Kling 2.6 and the duration is 10 seconds. And one good thing about Kling 3.0 that is coming up is that you can make duration up to 30 to 60 seconds. I mean, that's awesome. They are going to click on generate. They are going to wait for the magic to happen. So the video is done creating. So let me play it for you. So watch and see what happens.
I have to get away. Please don't fly away. No, no, wait a minute. No, Shaggy.
So this
I
is a
have to
video
get
of a
away.
young girl
Please don't
being
fly away.
chased by a robot, and I just
No,
created
no, wait
this
a minute.
using this prompt,
Shaggy.
just with a
I
prompt,
have to get away.
and
Please don't
includes an
fly away.
audio and everything. So you can
No,
tweak it
no,
however
wait a
you
minute.
want. This is
Shaggy.
beautiful. And these are other videos that I made that is similar, but this time around I used my face for this particular video. If you want to know how I made this video, I'll put the link to this video up here so you can actually go watch how I made these videos. So this is like a story of a robot falling in love with a Nigerian girl. I mean, that's interesting. So I'll put a link there. Go and check it out how I made this video using my own picture. Okay? So now we are going to talk about the things that in 3.0 is coming up with. So in 3.0, as I mentioned before, you are going to be having duration up to 30 to 60 seconds. Imagine 2.6 is
I
like
have to get
this.
away. Please
Then
don't fly
imagine how
away.
3.0 is going to be. Like, I can't even
No,
wait
no,
for
wait
this
a
3.0 to
minute.
come up. So I'm going
No,
to show
Shaggy.
you guys what this 3.0
I
is all
have to get
about. So let's
away.
get right
Please
into
don't
it.
fly.
What we are going to be seeing in Kling 3.0. So we are going to see that Kling 2.6, the native audio, if you notice in the video that we created, let me play it again.
Shaggy.
So if you
I
notice
have to get
in this
away.
video,
Please don't fly
the
away.
lip sync, this lady's
No,
lip
no,
and what she
wait
was
a
saying
minute.
is not
No,
rhyming.
Shaggy.
So that's one of the things that Kling
I
3.0
have
is
to
going
get
to
away.
correct. So Kling 3.0 is going to solve the lip sync and the ambient SFX hurdle for the 3.0 engine. Okay, so the lip sync is going to be more natural in Kling 3.0. Okay, and then another beautiful thing about Kling 3.0 is that Kling 3.0 is going to move away from single prompt to full scene management. So it's no longer going to be just a single prompt to create a 10 seconds video. You can literally create write a prompt, a full scene prompt that it will create the whole scene for you in just one prompt. Isn't that amazing? Then the motion control 3.0 is going to prove they can handle 30 seconds of high quality physics in one take. So there is no AI generator that can create up to 30 seconds video. But Kling 3.0 is going to be able to create that. I mean, isn't that wonderful? Currently, 10 seconds is like the highest for now. But Kling 3.0 is going to come with 30 seconds. That's just wonderful. So this I want to anticipate from Kling 3.0. So these are the things that we should anticipate in Kling 3.0. Kling 3.0 base model is rumored to be the first to handle 4K without upscaling artifacts. Yes, Canvas agent allows for the text-based editing, but 3.0 is expected to bring pixel level selection, no more regenerating the whole clip to fix one hand. So let's say you made a video and then one of the hand is not looking okay. You don't have to regenerate all the video to just fix that one hand. You can just fix the hand, only that part of the video. Like, I'm just amazed. I can't wait to see this 3.0. Then the physical interaction overhaul. The 2.6 model still meets melts when characters touch, but 3.0 is rumored to use a new physics engine to handle lighting, hugging, and complex object interaction. Then the Sora 2 killer with OpenAI Sora 2 pushing 25-second clips. Clean 3.0 will likely push the standard generation to 30 to 60 seconds to maintain their lead in the social media space. Like, this is just wonderful. So the verdict is that Kling is one of the most important model in generation AI. So I'm pretty sure that one more time Kling can change the whole game and suggest every one of you to check all the updates. So I'm going to be putting the link in the description. You can check the update of this Kling 3.0 and then you can actually join the waiting list. That will be a discount for you. So everywhere is buzzing around, everywhere is buzzing on this Clean 3.0. Everybody is reacting. As you can see, everybody's talking about it. So rush, join the wait list and be the part of the first people that's going to try out Clean 3.0. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.